is d.d.p. I'm Ruby.
No, I'm sorry.
He's so silly.
Hey, today, yeah, we got a box.
Wow!
Yeah, we don't know what's in, so we ordered a couple of things. So we got some more boxes coming, and we're gonna have another box opening, and so we're gonna open this up.
Yes, so we can get started, but I know y'all looking behind us and like, why do we got some balloons up here? Okay, so my birthday is July the 15th, which has passed. Then it's my husband's birthday, it's July the 30th.
Yep.
All right, so then on that crazy part, we are also, our anniversary is July 30th. We'll be married for 11 years.
Yeah, we're married for a minute, so.
Yes, so.
All in 1 month.
Why not keep the balloons up and celebrate, right?
Two birthdays, anniversary, July 8th.
Right.
So, yeah.
This is a happy month for us, so you know what I'm saying? It's all celebrations this month.
Hey y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this open and get it going, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, cracking.
I hope I didn't cut nothing. But anyway.
I don't think cutting nothing either. The freak?
Get out of there.
Oh, jeez. Crazy man, open their box. All right.
Let's see what we got in, y'all. What we got in?
Ooh, poppies. I like these. I want to play with this.
Got a couple things in here, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Really?
Okay. I'll play with that later.
Alright, y'all. Hey.
Okay.
First thing I got to see, you know what I'm saying, that man, my wife wanted to order, you know what I'm saying. We was gonna do another video on
seafood.
Seafood.
Right.
So we've been seeing this line and everything.
It's the beloved sauce. So we're gonna do it, the beloved sauce. So we're gonna do that for you guys. And I was like, why not do a real seafood thing? Probably either invite one of my family members or two of our family members to sit down with us and try this sauce. Everybody been talking about it, beloved sauce. So we're gonna hook it up and see how it tastes.
Yeah, we ordered some. So
yes, beloved sauce.
First thing, hey, so what you got to put in is mixes with water or something?
So the ingredients, it says, let me see. In a medium sauce pan, you want 4 sticks of unsalted sweet creamy butter or butter substance, and 1.5 medium sweet onion, thinly sliced, 3/4 cups of miniature garlic, 3 1/4 cup of pickled ginger.
I thought it was just gonna come already made. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, like we gotta add a lot of stuff to that.
We gotta put some more ingredients.
I'm gonna have to go shopping to get some stuff.
Dang, it's a list. That's crazy, but we
gonna try it.
We gonna hook it up and try it, and
yeah, we're gonna go from there. And we'll let you know how it tastes.
We got that
on our day.
sauce. Yeah.
Be loved. All right, be loved.
Another thing we ordered was another little counter, but let's check it out. I don't know about this though.
Right.
We ordered another little camera, to have, when we do our little pranks to set up somewhere.
Little videos and stuff.
But let's open it and see what, you know what I'm saying? I don't know.
I don't know. It might be good. I don't know.
Maybe. You don't
Maybe.
think so.
You never know.
Let me see.
Oh, I don't know about that one.
No, y'all, but it's a nice size little camera, you know what I'm saying? We can have set up, you know what I'm saying?
Somewhere and just filming and stuff and doing a little hand thing. So this box is like stuff that we can use for our YouTube channel.
It looks like it.
Looks like it. Yeah, a couple more things in here.
Yeah,
I think that's what it all is.
Camcorder, y'all. This is alright, little camcorder. You know
it's already charged up and everything. Okay. This is a 1080p.
Yeah.
That's good quality. That's not bad. That's good quality.
Yep. Let's get it.
Let's see how it look. We're trying to do this, you guys, and with you guys, you know, supporting us and helping us. Hey, we're gonna make it there. We're gonna get what we need to get.
Yeah.
All right.
It's all right little camera though, y'all. Yeah. Okay, we got a camera. We got some.
All right, what's next, baby?
All right, I don't know what this is, but. I don't know what this is. Hey, we gonna have to open it up and see. We ordered a lot of stuff, so we gonna open it up and see.
Oh.
Go ahead.
You take it on down?
Nah, keep it up there.
Keep it up there? Yeah. All right. Let's see what that is.
I'm gonna let you open it.
Oh, okay. I think I can do it. Let's see. Okay, baby. It's another little box in here.
Another box? Mm-hmm. I don't know what this is, y'all. I still don't know yet.
Okay, let's see. Well, I'm talking about you opening up stuff. Oh, it's coming in a nice little case. Ooh. Okay. I like this little bag. I like bags, so I'm gonna keep this bag. Oh, it's our ring light.
Oh, wow.
Enhance our videos, you guys.
We need this ring light.
Yes.
Hey, we ordered this today. We had to have it though.
Right, it's the ring light.
You know what I'm saying? So
let's tell them what it.
We got a little ring light, yeah. Like, you know what I'm saying? We do our video, we put our phone on there and everything. I didn't even know you put your phone on there.
Oh, this is cool. It came with 2 stands.
Got some
is that a stand? Yeah.
It looked like a stand.
Oh, that's where the phone go on.
That's where the phone goes to.
Yeah, the phone will go on there and you put it on there. And then this is open there, take the plastic out so you can see.
This is the stand.
That's the stand too?
Yeah, this is stand. This is go on the stand.
Okay.
Somewhere, somehow. We'll figure it out. But hey man, we got that ring light. Hey.
Yes.
We've been wanting this ring light for a minute.
What I got?
And we gonna order. What the?
It's a remote control. No, I don't know what it is.
I don't know what it is either, but it looks like some kind of remote.
It's a little remote. It's got a camera, 2 cameras, and it says Android and was it iOS? Yeah, iOS.
It looks like some kind of remote.
Yeah. Okay.
Check that out.
Another fun toy to play with.
Some kind of remote.
I can't wait to play with that toy.
Yeah.
You gonna keep this out? Just keep it out for right now?
Yeah, you can keep it out.
Alright, let me set it right there. Alright, you guys. Alright, so. Alright, how many more now?
No, one more.
Alright, one more thing, you know.
That's what it looks like.
Go ahead and get it. Let me take the box down now?
Yeah, you go ahead and take it down. I'm gonna let you go ahead and.
Lord Jesus.
Stop that open.
Okay, let's see. I'm gonna start cutting from here.
Yeah, y'all got that ring light. We needed that though. For real.
Alright. Let's see this is kind of heavy for me.
Hey. we don't even know what this is either, so.
I think it's that,
hold
on, it is. Yeah, table spin wheel.
Oh.
I can't get it out. I'm gonna pull. You got it. I'll hold the box. Oh, it's the table spin wheel. I've been wanting this.
Yeah.
All right, we turned. Oh, it must have was open the wrong way.
Hey, we gonna use this spin wheel on another video, and well, we're gonna use it on multiple videos.
Right.
Yeah, cause you know we can have a little idea with the spin wheel, and so we ordered.
Yeah, so we ordered this to use it in our videos, and like especially to like put people's names on it, or just to, like if we playing a food challenge or something like that.
Yeah, and what's that other video we was gonna do? I can't think of it right now.
Okay, look, we gotta put it together.
Yeah, a little thing to go on. You know what I'm saying?
And so it'll spin.
Yeah. I'm gonna put it together now. I'm gonna put it together right now.
And they got the clicker. And then it came with the the little eraser board thingy.
Oh, yeah.
And it came with a marker, dry marker, eraser marker. And I guess this was the little stuff that, you know, stops it from spinning.
Yeah, I
And
think so.
yeah, you think that's what it is?
Is it? That's
Yeah.
a little pointer?
Yeah, the little pointer.
Oh, okay.
They go on there and it stops it. I don't know what this is. It's just some, they doing a,
We'll figure it out, y'all.
yeah. So this is a cool little stuff. Okay.
Cool little opening.
Yeah.
First we got the, you know,
Beloved sauce.
Beloved sauce. Hey, we gonna look it up.
Yeah.
I know she gonna look it up.
I'm gonna try to do my thing, y'all know.
Yeah. Got another camera. Gonna set this up.
That's
When
gonna
I
help
prank
out.
her, you know what I'm saying? You can do a couple pranks on her. Have this set up.
Why me, Lord?
Yeah.
Why me? Why not him? God.
And of course, we got another. Well, we got a ring light.
Yeah, this is our first ring light.
We
so.
needed this ring light. So
Yes. So that's good. We have a light, but it ain't a ring light.
yeah. So we needed this right here though.
And last but not least is our spinning board.
Yeah, we're gonna have some fun with that in our videos.
Yes.
Y'all. So look forward to that. And hey.
And lots more stuff we're gonna order and share with you guys what we ordering.
Yeah, we got some more coming. So I'm glad y'all here with us open these, you know, these box openings, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And hey, don't forget, man. Come on now.
Comment.
Comment, give us some likes.
Subscribe.
Yeah. Of course subscribe.
Tell a friend.
But yeah.
Yes.
We get this box open and we got another one coming.
Right. And you know, we enjoyed sharing this with you guys because, you know, we was like, I wanted to go ahead and open because I'm like, let me open it. He was like, no, let's share it with everybody. You know what I'm saying? Because, you know, why not share it and let them see what we got to help enhance or to help with our videos or whatever. So this is a good little thing, you know what I'm saying? And you guys stay tuned to more videos, you know?
So,
we can't wait to do more.
We're gonna go ahead. What's wrong? Oh, maybe that's it.
Yeah, and then we got another one.
We'll figure it out. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and end this video and
Alright guys.
hey, we got another one coming in a couple of days. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. I'm telling you.
Yes.
Be wait for it.
And don't forget, like, you know, Thursday is his birthday, you guys. So, you know, comment on this video. And we don't know when it's going to be out, but comment happy birthday. And also, I don't want to take all of it from my husband's birthday, but it is our anniversary. So, comment happy anniversary as well. All right, you guys, stay tuned to another video, and we'll be seeing you soon. Bye.
Peace.
Team Ruby.
It won't be in there, so boy, I don't know why you said that.
Alright, you guys, so we got everything put together, and this is the finishing results. We got the spin wheel. Hold on, let me do some stuff. We got the spin wheel. And we got the ring light. We got the camera sitting up. And of course, stay tuned to making a seafood boil with beloved sauce. Alright, you guys, thank you once again for watching. And don't forget to comment, subscribe, and like. Alright, and tell a friend. We'll see you later. Bye.